Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Frederick Rodriguez, top 1 in the October 2005 Criminologist Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Fred.
So, traffic control devices tayo. So, tandaan mo yung definition na ito ay mga structures and devices installed in order to ensure mobility, efficiency, and safety of traffic. So, yan na. Traffic control devices, ito ay mga structures and devices na in-install. Ano yung purpose? Mobility, efficiency, and safety of traffic. Ito ay isang example ng traffic control device, yung traffic light. Ito rin ay traffic control device. Okay? Itong mga pintura na ito sa kalsada, traffic control devices. Okay? O, di ba sabi pag mag-go ka lang pag naka-green. Red kung stop. Then, slow down, prepare to stop. Yellow or amber. So, imagine nyo kung wala to, lalong-lalo pag heavy traffic. Okay? Kanda gulo-gulo na. Okay? Ayan. So, ano ngayon yung mga types ng traffic control device? So, ganyan mag-aaral, i-summarize nyo. So, again, tandaan nyo muna yung concept neto, definition. Then you go now to specific types of control devices. Una, traffic signs and road signs, pavement markings, traffic lights, and traffic island. Ngayon, ano ngayon yung traffic signs and road signs? Ito, tingnan nyo. Devices usually made up of metal plates designed to provide information. Okay? Pavement or road markings, as the word implies, as the title imply, o di yung mark on the surface of the road. Nakapintura sa kalsada mismo. Alam nyo na to, yung traffic light, electrical device designed to control traffic. Tapos yung traffic island class is concrete portion on the roadway. So, kaya tinawag na island, raised concrete portions of the roadway. Sign natin. Ito yung traffic signs. Metallic plates designed to provide information installed on the street. Right? So, ito naman yung mga pavement markings ng pintura na to. O eto, di ba pansin nyo, yellow, minsan puti. O may ibig sabihin kasi yan. Okay? Okay, ito. O, di ba? Straight. Tapos pagdating dito is intermittent, putol-putol, then straight na naman. Okay? Minsan yellow naman yan na straight. This one, magkakaiba din ang ibig sabihin. Okay? Ano to? Ito naman yung traffic light. Okay, pangatlong part na example ng traffic control device. At ito yung traffic island class. So ano ulit yung traffic island? Is concrete portion. Ito, kaangat na sementado. Then meron pa sa gitna. So ibig sabihin, pag nakita mo na to, is huwag ka nang dumaan dito. O ikot ka kung babalik ka doon. Diba? Nare-regulate din niya yung traffic. Kasama sa traffic island, actually yung mga nakikita yung orange barrier na either semento o kaya plastic na nilagyan lang ng tubig. Mga traffic island din yan. Right? Regulate flow of traffic. Sige nga. So ano nga ulit yung structures and devices installed in order to ensure the mobility, efficiency, and safety of traffic? Ano nga ulit po, class? Structures and devices. What? Sumasagot. Angelo, traffic control device. Alright. Tingnan nyo. Alright, traffic control devices. So ano ulit tawag dito naman? So, metallic plates installed. Ayan na mismo ha. Traffic and road sign. Traffic sign, pareho lang yan. Traffic and road sign, traffic sign, road sign, pareho lang yan. Okay? Ito naman ang traffic light. Okay? Electrical device, power operated device. At ito naman ang pavement and road marking. Yung mga pintura dyan. Okay? Isa-isa, ano ulit na? Kapag devices made up of metal plates designed to provide information, then we have traffic sign or road sign. Okay? Tapos tandaan nyo na kung ano yung mga yan. Actually, you don't have to memorize naman. Ipapakita ko later on yung very important in relation to this. Okay, traffic sign and road sign. Alright? So, ito yung mga yan. So, ano naman yung mark on the surface of the road used to guide road users? Then we have pavement markings. Okay? Pavement or road markings, pareho lang yan. Then, ano naman yung electrical device or power-operated device? Automation. We have traffic lights. Okay? Raised concrete portion is the traffic island. This one, traffic island. Right? Okay. Tala ng control device. Ano ang tawag dun sa control device used to inform the road user of potentially hazardous roadway condition? Pag nakita nyo na yan, i-inform daw yung delikado o risky. Ang tawag dyan is, very good, warning device. Okay, warning device. Ano pa yung mga ibang tawag sa warning device? Caution device. Ayan, pareho lang yan. Traffic warning device, pare-pareho lang yan. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, classification kasi ng devices, pwedeng warning, okay, threats, and risk. Ano yung delikado? Regulatory device is, ito lang yan, inform the road users on traffic laws and regulations. Yung speed limit, ayun yung mga yan. Speed limit, ano pa ba? Ano yung sasakyan na hindi pwede dyan sa kalsada na yan? Okay? No U-turn, no left turn ba? Right? Ayun yung mga yon. Speeding device naman class is inform ka naman. Ito yung regulatory, ang in-inform sa driver and pedestrians ay laws. Whereas guiding device, ang binibigay naman information is about distance, about roads, about location. So pag nakikita nyo yung mga arrow na this way to this way to that, and kung nasaan ka na, and all that. Okay? Ayun yung general classification ng functional classification ng traffic control devices. Okay? So example, so tingnan nyo to. Ito yung traffic signs and road signs, tama? Right? So ano meron tayong warning sign, right? Okay? Pansin niyo na ito. Pag nakakita ka nito, ibig sabihin yung malapit ka na sa isang narrow road. Okay, so magdahan-dahan ka na. Okay? Then ito, steep ascent, steep descent. Okay? Malapit ka sa riverbank and all that. Okay? O kaya ito, falling rocks. Yung mga warning signs. Sa kalsada naman, may warning sign din. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng straight yellow line? Anyone? Anong ibig sabihin ng straight yellow line? Makikita. Overtaking. Very good. O, diba? Sinasabi niya, delikadong mag-overtake. Okay? So, kung putol-putol yan, ibig sabihin, pwede na at your own risk. Okay? Minsan naman papansinin nyo is nasa linya mo, nasa lane mo yung putol na linya, yung diretsong linya. Sa kabila, putol, o kaya minsan walang linya. Isa lang. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Diretsong linya, then puti, then wala nang yellow sa kabila. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Yung nasa kabila, pwedeng mag-overtake kapag libre. Pero ikaw, delikadong mag-overtake para sa'yo. Alright?
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!